Hello and welcome to the channel Understanding Concepts of Physics. Hope you are doing well, and we are here to again take down one more numerical on thermodynamics. As you can see on the screen, you can pause the video and go through the question. I would highlight the important key data points here. So the first key data point is that it's a thermodynamic cycle, and we are supposed to find out the work done in 25 cycles. So work done in 25 cycle is something we need to get. Now this is one logic which I would like to highlight to every student is that always whenever there is a graphical type of question, you always check what is on the x-axis and what is on the y-axis. So I'm seeing that there is pressure on this y-axis and the volume is given on the x-axis, and also this is in 10 raised to 5 pascals, 10 raised to 5 pascals, and 10 raised to 5 pascals, and this one is 10 raised to minus 3 meter cube. So this is what the given data is. So whenever there is a graphical question, always study what is on the x and what is on the y axis. Now to the first impression, it appears to be as a circle, but it is not a circle. I mean, if you see, this is just 4 plus 6 minus 4, that is 2. So this is 2 into 10 raised to minus 3 because there is a multiplying factor, and this side is basically this 2 into 10 raised to minus 3. So 2 into 10 raised to minus 3, and if you check this side, then in this side, if you see, this is 6 and this is 11. So 11 minus 6 is basically 5, and the multiplying factor is 10 raised to 5. This 10 raised to 5. So this one is 5 into 10 raised to 5. So it is clearly visible that this side and this side is not same. So had this been a circle, it would have been same on both the sides, same on all any side, but this is not. So basically this is not a circle, it is an ellipse, and in an ellipse this is somewhat like this. This is that ellipse. Now this ellipse has its two axes, and that axis we are going to discuss what it works. So I'll write the given data. So in a given, number of cycles is given as 25, no other data is given. Work is done as 25 cycles. Work done in 25 cycle is something we need to get. And the first logic what we are here to apply is that the work done in a cyclic process is the area inside the graph. So this area will give me the graph. So I should never apply the formula for area of a circle, because this, even though it appears to be a circle, it is not a circle, it's an ellipse. So we are supposed to apply the area of an ellipse. Area of an ellipse is pi into a into b, where a and b are semi-major axis and semi-minor axis. Be with me in the video and you will understand what pi a and b means. Now let's go ahead. Work done is equal to the area inside the cyclic process. So work done is area of the ellipse, because that shape is an ellipse. That's one of the key criteria we should note that. Now area of an ellipse is pi into a into b. This is actually a mathematical formula from conic section. The area of an ellipse is pi into a into b. Now let's see what a into b is. What is a? A is called as the semi-major axis, b is called as the semi-minor axis. Let's say if this is my ellipse, then this axis is called as the major axis, the longer axis, and the shorter axis is called as the minor axis, and the half of that is what is called as the semi-major axis, and semi-minor axis as b, semi-minor axis as b. So you just have to measure the distance from this point to this point, the center to the edge. So that's the formula for an ellipse, area of an ellipse. Now this is pi into AB. Now work done in 25 cycles would be, in one cycle it would be pi into AB. In 25 cycles it would be 25 into pi into AB. So this was for one cycle. Now we are doing it for 25 cycles. So 25 as it is, pi ka value is 3.14. A is basically semi-major axis. So I'm taking from this diagram. This is the center, this is the distance, this is 5 into 10 raised to 5. Why is this 5 into 10 raised to 5? Because the center is at 6 and this 6, and this is 11. So 11 minus 6 is 5, and there is a multiplying factor of 10 raised to 5. So A is 5 into 10 raised to 5, 5 into 10 raised to 5, and B is 2 into 10 raised to minus 3. Let's see how do we get this. B is basically the horizontal axis, like this one, the minor axis. So basically this is 6, this is 4, 6 minus 4 is 2 into 10 raised to minus 3. So this is 2 into 10 raised to minus 3. So by into B, I have substituted that. In place of B we have this, in place of A we have this. Now it's a matter of just multiplication. You just multiply 25 into 3.14. 5 2s is 10, 10, and this is 10 raised to 5, and this is 10 raised to minus 3. You just add all the powers of 10. You will get somewhere 7.85 10 raised to 4 joules. Now there is one more point to be highlighted over here, is that when I am considering this process, thermodynamic process, I am considering that the process is going clockwise, because when the process goes clockwise, the work done is positive. When the process is going anti-clockwise, something like this, the work done comes out to be negative. So logically, clockwise process gives me positive work done, and anti-clockwise work done gives me negative work done. So I'm assuming that it is a positive, because the question is never mentioned whether it is clockwise or anti-clockwise. So I've just mentioned that part. I hope you have understood this video. In case if you have, if you are following my videos and able to understand things, then please subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends and families who can get the most out of the channel and understand the physics concepts of physics in a better manner. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye.